If you've been watching my previous videos on AI training jobs, then you already know one thing. This space is moving fast. But here's the truth most people are not telling you. The old platforms everyone keeps talking about are getting crowded, saturated, and harder to get tasks from. So if you're still relying on outdated methods, you're already falling behind. Now in today's video, I'm introducing you to something new, something smarter, and honestly, something that rewards people who can actually think. I'm talking about Alignerr. This is not your typical click and earn platform. This is part of the next generation of AI training jobs, where you're paid for your reasoning, your judgment, and how well you can evaluate responses. And yes, before you ask, this platform is open to global applicants, including Africans. Why? Because AI companies need diverse perspectives, different accents, and different ways of thinking to properly train their models. So, if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, or anywhere else, you actually have an advantage if you position yourself correctly. But listen carefully. Just signing up is not enough. A lot of people watch videos like this, get excited, create an account, and then do nothing. That is not going to be you, right? Because in this video, I'm going to show you how this platform works, what kind of tasks you'll be doing, and how to increase your chances of getting accepted. And make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before we go there, please like this video. It's important that you like my videos whenever I upload. Comment, share, subscribe if you're new, and also hype the videos so that YouTube can feature it more. Alright, let's get started. So you want to go to alignerr.com. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of their open roles to show you the type of job you can find on this platform. Feel free to use the search bar to search for roles. But they have roles in these categories: audio, coding, general, and STEM, right? Computer vision and ML experts, paying $100 to $150, and it is completely remote. They have financial analyst, AI training expert, Spanish and English, document review specialist, paying $40 to $120 an hour, Spanish audio evaluator, English prompt writer, document review specialist. Guys, feel free to go through all the job categories they have. Writing and literature experts. They also have AI writing analyst, audio engineer. Guys, they have lots of jobs that you can actually choose from to do. AI security testing analyst, AI security tester, AI automation and tool use engineer, philosophy, religion and theology expert, writing and literature expert. Okay, feel free to go mathematics experts. Feel free to go through. I know you're going to say, oh, these jobs are for experts. Yes, that is why I brought to you this platform, IDF, that would enable you to upskill. Yes. Before I continue, let me quickly show you something that can actually increase your chances of getting accepted on platforms like Alignerr. Because here's the truth, these newer AI training jobs are no longer just about signing up. They are looking for people who can think, analyze, and communicate clearly. That's exactly why I recommend checking out IDF. This is a global learning platform where you can take professional courses in areas like critical thinking, UX, and problem-solving skills that are directly useful for AI training jobs. You guys have asked for this the longest, and I'm bringing it to you today. And the best part, the courses are beginner-friendly, self-paced, and you get certificates you can actually use to strengthen your profile. So if you're serious about standing out and not getting rejected like most people, this is something you should not ignore. I've put a direct link for you in the description. Go check it out after this video. If you sign up today using the link in the description, you get 3 months free. The offer is limited, by the way. Let's get back into the video. So this one is AI chatbot tester. Gets paid to chat with AI and shape the future of conversational technology, fully remote, no experience needed. So for those of you looking for no experience AI training job, this one you can do it. You can also do this one, generalist, no experience is needed. Get paid to shape the future of AI, review and evaluate content across any topic. Okay, you can do this. You can do the other one. You can also do this one, voice recording specialist. Get paid to lend your voice to the future of AI. No experience needed. Just speak naturally, work remotely, and earn competitively. $40 to $120 an hour. Research analyst, search quality evaluator, AI red team tester. There are lots of AI training roles you can take up here without experience. Okay, voice recording specialist, no experience needed. Get paid to lend your voice to the future of AI. Audio quality reviewer, voice recording specialist. So you go through all of them and pick AI training specialist. Get paid $120 an hour to shape the future of AI. No experience needed, fully remote, flexible hours, meaningful work. So let me show you guys the application process. Okay, I'm just trying to show you the type of work you can do here. The first thing here is application. Okay, you're going to start the application by uploading your resume. To start your application, you must sign in with Google credentials. Sign up and onboarding can be completed on your computer. They recommend the Chrome browser or mobile device. You upload your resume and profile setup. After signing in, you must upload your resume. Please have your most current resume, LinkedIn profile, and phone number ready. They will automatically populate your profile with information from your resume. So this is it here. The second step will be option into label box Alignerr. You connect. After reviewing your profile details, you have the option to option in or option out of Alignerr Connect, which provides you additional job opportunities to work directly with leading AI labs. 2 will be identify verification. You confirm your identity and personal information. I know a lot of you do ask me, D, does this one require identity verification? Yes, this one does. Okay, you identify yourself wherever you are. You identify yourself. They require all applicants to verify their identity. The first step is to verify your phone number through a text message. You complete identity verification with Persona, which makes it secure. Okay, they partner with Persona to complete a safe and trusted ID verification. You can use a previously saved ID, so you have nothing to worry about. It is safe and secure as long as it's coming from Persona. The third step will be additional assessment. You demonstrate domain-specific expertise to ensure they can accurately match you with subject projects. They offer additional assessments for some Alignerr based on their skills. These assessments verify your fluency in a given language or knowledge in specific areas. They will ask you to complete different languages depending on if you're multilingual, okay? And then step 4 will be contract and billing setup. They'll send you a congratulatory message. Your application has been approved. You will receive an email invitation to officially join Alignerr community and complete your contract and billing setup. So the most interesting part, best is this one accepts Stripe and PayPal. Stripe, Connect, and PayPal are their trusted payment partners. So if you're in Nigeria, I've told you guys, people in Nigeria are getting their PayPal. You guys are just there. Watch YouTube videos, do it yourself. I can't create it from where I am. I would have uploaded a video because I'm not there. Okay. If I do it here, it means I have to use VPN to connect back to Africa to do it. That's why I said, do it yourself. If you're in South Africa, PayPal works. I have a client in South Africa that has PayPal. She has PayPal that she created in South Africa. So create your PayPal if you're in Nigeria. PayPal is back in Nigeria. Do your research, watch YouTube videos, follow their guidelines. But if you want me to react to some videos that I found on YouTube and then explain the steps to you, walk you through step by step and see if it works. But people say it's working. I've seen countless number of videos on YouTube saying it's working. So it's left for you to try your best. This platform will pay you via PayPal, and that's what you need since you guys cannot get Stripe. I've also seen people saying they have Stripe accounts in Nigeria. I'm using Nigeria as an example. I'll find those videos, react to them, and walk you through so you try your best. Okay, so you connect your PayPal or your Stripe for your payment. So you will then do the onboarding, prepare for projects. Once sign up is complete, you receive an email invitation to access to onboarding information and key resources to explore. To be like this. I told you guys that the amazing thing is that it accepts Stripe and PayPal. I'm going to sign up this weekend. I'll also update you guys. All right. You need a resume for this. Your resume will be used to populate the whole information. The whole information for you. So if you're ready to start, click on apply now button. It starts like this. So you're going to connect with your Google or you continue with LinkedIn. If your LinkedIn account is not professional, don't use it, please. Get yourself a resume, AI training resume. You don't need to have experience before you start. You guys always want to have experience. They're not really looking for people with high qualification. They're looking for people with skills to tackle the tasks they apply for, whether that's deep expertise in a domain, strong coding ability, or sharp analytical thinking. Many aligners are undergrads, grads, or advanced degree holders, but talented generalists are welcome too. Clear written English and a drive to push generative AI forward are a must. You don't need prior experience. Go for those jobs that says no experience needed. So now you can see why Alignerr is different from the older AI job platforms we've talked about on this channel. This is where things are going less clicking, more thinking, and better way for people who take it seriously. But let me be clear with you. Watching this video alone will not change your situation. Yes, what will change your situation is action. You cannot watch the video and pass. You have to take action. Go ahead, do your research before applying. Apply properly and take your time with any assessments. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you've been following my previous AI training videos, then you already know I'm not stopping here. I'll keep bringing you real updated platforms that actually work, not recycled information you see everywhere else. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss what's coming next. And if you're serious about getting started, drop a comment below, Start AI, and I will guide you on what to do next. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on AI training jobs right here on the channel because everything connects. And the more you learn, the more you earn. I'll see you in the next one.